our country's Right Honorable Supreme Court is now expected to rule on the citizenship of a person, a girl, Rachel Frances Xavier, who was born in Andhra Pradesh in 2006, of parents who were formerly Indian nationals but had emigrated to the United States and were American nationals at the time of this girl's birth. Well, that being the case, Indian citizenship laws are very clear. The Indian Citizenship Act 1955 clearly says that there is no birthright citizenship and parents अगर फॉरेन nationals हो, बच्चा इंडिया में born हो तो वो citizenship नहीं पा सकता. Well, this is very important in the Indian context because हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारे aliens हैं. Well, करोड़ों बांग्लादेशी ने यहाँ बहुत सारे बच्चे पैदा कर चुके हैं and the law protects us, Deshwasis, Bharatiyas and Sanatinis from being engulfed by the swarm and hordes of Bangladeshi kids born here whom we may slowly extradite from this country, expel from this country. But if this case of Frances Xavier Rachel Rachita suddenly becomes the law of the land, the judgment before the Supreme Court is an appeal by this girl against a division bench of Delhi High Court judgment which held that Indian citizenship laws are very clear. There is no naturalization or birthright citizenship to a child born in India of foreign nationals. She was able to extract and argue that the Independence Act, the Government of India Act of 1935 grants Indian citizenship to parents who were earlier foreign nationals because part of undivided India, and she wants to hang on to that. People of Indian origin who were born abroad could get Indian citizenship because partition created that special situation. उसके बाद ये नहीं हो सकता. Well, this appeal before the Supreme Court is also a landmark because whether only this girl will acquire citizenship by this judgment or it will apply in rem, that is whether it will have wide applicability, in which case who will hold back the floodgates of all these Bangladeshis and other illegal aliens who could have got birthed and delivered here but whose parents are foreign nationals. I think there is not enough attention on this case and all us country loving Deshbhakt Indians need to watch out and raise the banner of revolt.